Hello everybody, it's me today. I'm with
Brooke.
Yay!
East Street. That's where I live. Come find me, kids. Yeah, anyway, today we're training.
Yay, or she's
on my
training.
account.
I'm sitting here on a stool that is very tall. Sitting on a pillow.
And very comfy.
Yes, very comfy.
And I'm going to fail many times.
Prepared.
I wish there was a shortcut right there. Wish this wasn't here, or this. Or this.
What was that laughing? I always come up with the... Not come up. I always make the weirdest laughs. That one time I sound like a freaking girly girl.
I'm a horsey.
Don't make fun of my sneezing.
Uh-oh.
She's making fun of my sneezing. I'm sorry. This part when you ran on my account.
Yeah, I'm gonna go on my account and just make a whole video of me running on foot. Uh-oh.
My SOS
Oh.
account is totally Brooke East Street.
Yeah, no. You're totally level 17. Uh-oh.
I really have like...
I want to go to Epona.
I mean, you're so close.
I have to wait it. Oh, I got a new high score. What? How amazing. Okay, so for Marley's race, I like the barrel race, but I don't like it.
I can't see the barrels.
Oh yeah, you don't have it yet.
I'm glad I don't.
Why? I'm bad at jumping, so this is just gonna be failure all the way through. Uh-oh.
Half every time you fail.
You know what? I'm gonna... Where do I go? Wait, what?
Go over there.
Every time I fail, I'm just gonna... I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I'm just gonna clap.
I'm not really good at this race.
I'm horrible at it. The only time you failed when you couldn't figure out where to go.
Every time I fail, I don't know, I'm gonna do something.
Well, we should have grabbed like clothes. And then you had to like put it on.
So... Yeah. Okay, let's do the barrel race first.
I always, if there's like two,
I see!
if there's like two or more races, I don't know English. I gotta go back to first grade and I'm English.
Do you English?
No, I don't English. What the heck was I gonna say? Usually when there's like two or more races, I usually just do one of them first and then do the other two or three and then get my XP at the end.
Okay, let's go grab the clothes. Okay, so we're trailing to Silver Lady Question Center, and we got the clothes, and I guess...
also, can you stop moving the chair? You're hurting my arm. I mean, not my arm, my leg.
I guess we have to put on something. Okay. Is this a starter hat? No. I
You're
can't...
not supposed to look at them.
No.
Oh, because you messed up.
Yeah, remember? Okay.
That's not...
Okay, great.
I just heard something fell.
Probably my self-esteem.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh, Zoe. Okay, Zoe left the club. I don't even know who Zoe is. I mean, I do know who Zoe is. I have a scratch on my leg. And it hurts. hurts really bad. I'm like really bad at these races. I have an eyelash in my eye. And I can't get it out. I'm playing with one hand. I'm gonna fall. Oh. If I miss a jump, I don't know if it counts. I'm playing with one hand.
You said you do.
Okay, there we go. So I
don't know what to do. I'm
oh,
just
I
gonna
took a shortcut. Uh-oh. I could have missed that, and it would have been horrible. Shortcut, please.
I was
Yes.
really hoping that you knew that was a shortcut.
I thought I just missed a checkpoint, and I was,
She's gonna be pretty mad.
about to be worried. No! No! I went straight past that. Okay, I guess I'll just put on the shirt. I didn't. Okay, I gotta open up the.
I have a Mac. Not a PC.
I'm sorry.
I have a laptop. I'm exposing to everyone what I have.
This is no laptop. I can't.
You trust okay.
Oh. Who's on top of the okay. What?
Emily, Brooke. I'm sorry. I got you confused with my friend.
No, I don't care.
I don't think that you can put a shirt on a horse.
No, well you can now because I said so. Okay, this is it.
Oh, geez.
Oh, okay, leveled up. Great.
Oh, well, that's level
This is
10.
a
Wait.
fabulous outfit.
Wait. Your horse is level 10?
Yeah. I like barely level up any of my horses. They're all either like
That
level
looks like
5.
one of the level 11.
They're like level 7 or below.
Usually when I get a horse, I just...
Uh-oh.
Usually...
That could have been a disaster. But I kind of want to see what this outfit looks like.
Wrong way.
Wait,
Wrong
wait,
way.
what?
Sorry.
Oh. I don't know what I was doing. Okay.
You went across from it. Wow, you don't even know how to do races.
I haven't done this race in a long time. I really don't like your mouse. It's hard to like control.
It's not hard to do it.
Yes, it is.
At least you don't have to use bananas, but she doesn't even have a mouse.
Oh, I just looked at the pants on accident.
I didn't even see them, so I don't know what they look like.
Okay, good.
Because
they are not good.
Oh, are they the ones with the white ones? Like
No.
Okay.
Sorry. I would have been happy if they were the starter pants.
Oh, that's the starter pants.
No, I know.
With the ones that the champion girls usually always wear.
Oh my god, how did I do that?
Your horse has natural powers.
I don't know how that happened, but I'm glad I didn't have to put on those pants. Everyone's probably looking at me like right now.
Oh, what the heck?
Okay, there's no one around, but you know.
Oh, this is 8 minutes of us just talking.
All of the
And
ghosts.
failing. All the ghosts.
If you guys know any good screen recording apps that don't have watermarks, or it doesn't really matter whether they have watermarks or not. But if you know any good screen recording apps, comment it down below.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I have to redo it over and over again because the screen recorder thingamabob that I use makes Star Stable lag.
Not for me, but the audio is just like the audio recording the
If you want to talk softly, you have to. If you want to talk softly, you have to have headphones in.
The audio isn't that great.
No.
But we don't have a mic or anything or like that.
No, because my family isn't rich. We're poor.
Obviously not.
And also we're cheap.
I usually save up money so I can get stuff.
I usually ask my mom 3 weeks after. Oh, not 3 weeks. Like 3 months after I got started going.
I just flew
Across the earth.
Don't finish my sentences. Let me finish this race. Uh-oh. That did not... I don't know whether that counts or not.
I don't know either.
I still got the checkpoint.
If she like misses a jump and the thing turns red, that counts.
Oh. I did that earlier.
Well, we didn't have the clothes.
Alright. Next race. Shoot. Okay, we're going to the riding arena.
Did you actually press the button?
And, no.
Oh.
I really don't like this screen recording app. But really, if you guys have any other ones, comment down below. Or comment some YouTubers who link their screen recorders in the description.
Yeah.
And the editors and stuff. Okay, there's obviously not a race in there. I'm just gonna do the first one. And we're gonna do...
Ooh, she's on her no.
What?
I said use one first, no.
I will show the outfit at the end. Oh, okay. Oh my god.
She hates my computer.
Yeah. Okay, I'm failing. Did I fail again? I think I did. I'm showing
You weren't even supposed to jump out, okay?
I'm showing the whole outfit at the end anyway, so. The end of this race.
Oh, I thought you were trying to show people how bad you were. Also, by the way, she just closed her eyes and randomly picked this, so you have no idea what this looks like. Oh my god, the shirt is skin tone, I just realized that.
Yeah, actually, okay. So, we're about to end the video, so I guess I'll just put the rest of this outfit on.
First you have to press this
I
button.
have no idea. Wait, I was just about to try and put boots on a horse. What am I wearing? Oh, okay. This is nice. You're wondering, this is what the full outfit looks like. It's fabulous. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what this was, but we're gonna turn it into a series. So, see you next time.
Yeah.
I just killed her leg. Bye.